All right, we got here at Trimon. I want to shine your light up at the top here. Trimon. And look at this. Of course, this won't do anything now because the doors are open, but that handle's in solid shape. That's an old GAL one, isn't it? And this one's a bit bigger than the Otis. It's also a 2-to-1. Hold on, before you go. Let me get my camera in a good position here. There we go. You have to hold this in.
Oh, well, you're gonna run up then.
Also a little slower. Now watch when I let go, it's going to just automatically go to the nearest floor. Close itself in. This one's annoying. This button you really got to push. How it overshoots each time.
Alright, let's go silent right all the way down.
Oh my. Alright, we'll rearrange the camera. Or do you want to get a pit view?
I'll do this.
Alright, here what we'll do. I'll set the camera right here.
That's where I want to go right here.
Still getting used to this tripod. I'm gonna set it in a position where I can see the crank. Just don't want it to fall or anything. There we go. All right, here we go.
Right on up, please.
Yes. Oh, you gotta use it?
Yes,
Oh, sorry. First floor?
please.
Coming.
Thank you.
No problem. Need to come up?
Yes, thank you.
No problem. Yeah, there's no other way, I guess, besides to just say, hey,
Yeah, I know.
there's no like. Oh, he's bringing a card on. What
no.
Oh, right.
No free phone.
Second floor.
You want me to get it or you get it?
I got it.
All right.
Second floor first.
Yep.
Recording this stuff. Gee, boy, you got this in gear.
What's up?
So you got this in gear. That's what
Well, I like this one actually stops on its own.
Yeah, right. Self-leveling.
Oh yeah. It's like the car.
Wish I would have had floors like that when I was in the house.
Oh, this one doesn't have the one that just folds out, huh?
Thank you.
No problem. All y'all in now? I think this one.
That'd be all good.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Should I just lean this up on the side?
You just
Okay.
leave it into a layup.
Oh, sorry.
All right, you all good?
You guys have a good day now.
All right, you as well.
Back down to the I want to do that again.
These guys might be coming back. So.
Yeah, so we'll just ride up to 6 and be done.
Should we ride up to 6?
No, go all the way down the basement.
Okay.
All the way down, and then you want to ride all the way up, and then we'll bring it back down.
Whoop, wrong thing. I meant to release the handle, not the button. There we go. Yeah, I'm sure, now that I think about it, I bet this is the one that everyone uses, because, you know, this is the one that gets itself right.
All right.
All right, do you want to...
You want to run it up? I'm going to be out this way.
Hold on, let me just get a good grip on it. There we go. Oh wait, no, we have one more floor to go. Oh, I guess it just doesn't keep going if you stop it here. What? Does it not auto level at this floor? Oh, there we go. You just have to get it really close for it to level at this floor. Should we leave it at 2 for them? Should we leave it at 2? Okay, yeah. We'll get pictures on the way down. We need to be polite when we're using freight elevators. Anyway, that is
I
all.
want to film the side one too.
Oh, yeah.
I could get that. Here, I'll run this one down to whatever.